doesn't sound good. Oh yeah. This is risky in this car. This is muddy. Wow, this is all private now. I used to ride up there all the time. Interesting. Please don't be too wet. We get stuck in a mud pit. I don't know if we're gonna get out. Wasn't too bad. starting to get dark, sun's setting, which is making for some amazing views. But I'm running out of time and camera battery. And my problem is I can't stop filming. Oh my goodness. That's really slick. It's just so beautiful. This canyon is amazing. I can't stop filming it. But I really gotta stop. I gotta move, guys. Gotta get to camp as soon as I can. Currently on a mission right now to make it to camp on time. I forgot how beautiful this canyon was. That river down there is just a highlight for sure. It's always fun to look at. Just realized I'm sweating a lot. I hope that doesn't make me cold later. It probably will, but it's okay. I kind of accept the sweat. I just sweat a lot. That's how I am. I know in cold, wintry days like this, you're not supposed to sweat, but don't really have much of a choice. I'm gonna get a fire going when I get to camp. Hopefully get warmed up that way. And sleeping gear is dry, so I can just go in that and be dry. So yeah. Anyway, this place is so beautiful and amazing. Now we're in like a foresty area. Christmas tree hunting type area. All right, so I've hammocked from these two trees. A few years ago on my XT250, probably 5 or 6 years ago. I had that bike in 2019, about 5 years. So yeah, it's cool to be back here. Memory, jogging the old memory. But anyways, I'm gonna get to setting up camp and get a fire started and get some food going. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. made it back to the car. All right. Please start, car. Let's find out. Oh, look how frosty it is.